Introducing on-demand and on-demand AI tutoring for the new school year. From paper education, two things happen a lot. It's late, you're stuck, and there's no one around to help. Or maybe you're in class and for whatever reason, you'd rather not raise your hand. Paper gives you three ways to get unstuck: a live tutor, an AI tutor, and feedback on your writing. Help when you need it, the way you need it. Just head to app.paper.co and log in with your school credentials. You'll already have an account. That's where you go every time you need help. Once you're in, choose the subject you're working on. Then choose how you want help: human tutor or chat with an AI tutor. Pick a human tutor when you want to work through it with a person, and your preference for text or even voice exchange. Pick the AI tutor when you need something fast or prefer AI delivery. AI tutors give guided help instead of just answers and works in more than 40 languages. For writing, upload your draft before you submit. You'll get feedback on structure, grammar, clarity, and citations while there's still time to fix it. Use Review Center for essays, reports, or even resumes. One more thing worth knowing: your teacher can see your paper activity. So even when you use the AI tutor, it's clear you used it to learn and not to take a shortcut. Unlike other AI tools that simply generate answers, Paper's on-demand tutors are designed to guide you through problems. Tutors will ask questions, break down concepts, and helps you build understanding rather than shortcut the learning process. And for teachers and parents, know that on-demand AI tutoring also includes built-in student safety guardrails. If a conversation raises concerns, the system will escalate to our student health and safety team to intervene. Maybe you don't want to raise your hand. Maybe you just need something to make sense, quickly. Or maybe you just understand it better in another language. Those aren't excuses. And that's exactly why Paper is here. Head to app.paper.co for support when and how you need it. Paper meets students where they are today and helps guide the learning of tomorrow.